Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making Mars bar slice. You're going to need 5 47-gram Mars bars, 90 grams of butter, and 3 cups of rice bubbles or Rice Krispies, depending on where you are. You'll also need 200 grams of milk chocolate buttons, To start, you need to cut up the Mars bars. Then in a large bowl, place the cut up Mars bars with the butter and melt it over a low heat. I'm doing this in a double boiler. Once melted, add the rice bowls and give them a good stir. Line a tray with greaseproof paper and press out the mixture into the tray. Try and get it as even as possible. Melt the milk chocolate buttons in the microwave at 20 to 30 second bursts. Once it's all nice and smooth, lay it on as the top layer of the slice. Place in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours for everything to solidify. And then cut it up into slices.